Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best portable air conditioners of 2025. If you're tired of sweating in the summer or want a compact solution for year-round comfort, you're in the right place. We'll cover each unit's features, performance, pros and cons, and even who each AC is best for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which portable AC fits your space and lifestyle. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner and Heater, 4-in-1. 14,000 BTU cooling, ideal for rooms up to 700 square feet. 4-in-1 functionality, AC, heater, dehumidifier, and fan. Remote control, sleep mode, and 24-hour timer. Sleek black design and quiet operation. This unit is perfect if you need something powerful. Whether it's the middle of summer or a chilly winter evening, this AC does it all. The remote makes controlling temperature easy, and sleep mode ensures you stay cool or warm without disturbing your rest. Pros: powerful cooling and heating, multifunctional for year-round use, quiet and easy to operate. Cons: bigger footprint, takes up more floor space, higher energy consumption with large BTU. Who it's for? Large living rooms, open concept spaces, or home offices. Number 2. TOSOT 10,200 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. 10,200 BTU, 6,200 SACC, good for rooms up to 400 square feet. Smart Wi-Fi control for app access. Dehumidifier and fan included. Comes with a window kit for easy installation. TOSOT is ideal for medium rooms. The smart Wi-Fi feature is a game changer. You can adjust settings from your phone or use voice commands if connected to smart home devices. Installation is straightforward with the included window kit. Pros: smart Wi-Fi enabled controls, simple installation with window kit, efficient cooling for medium-sized rooms. Cons: limited coverage for larger spaces, slightly louder than some competitors. Who it's for? Bedrooms, offices, or small living rooms with smart home setups. Number 3. Dreo 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. 10,000 BTU cooling, ideal for bedrooms. Drainage-free cooling, no water tank to empty. Quiet operation at 45 dB. Compatible with app, voice, and remote control. This Dreo AC is perfect for bedrooms. Its quiet operation ensures uninterrupted sleep. Smart controls make it convenient to set schedules or adjust temperature without getting out of bed. Drainage-free design saves time and effort. Pros: very quiet, perfect for nighttime. Smart controls via app, voice, or remote. No need to drain water manually. Cons: not suitable for large rooms. Slightly higher price point for small space coverage. Who it's for? Bedrooms, small apartments, or quiet environments like study rooms. Number 4. ZAFRO 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. 10,000 BTU cooling. 4 modes: AC, fan, dehumidifier, and sleep mode. Fast cooling and energy efficient. Includes remote and 24-hour timer. ZAFRO offers fast cooling with low energy consumption. The multiple modes make it versatile, while the timer and remote give you full control. Ideal for smaller indoor spaces like dorms or bedrooms. Dorm rooms, bedrooms, or home offices where quiet and efficient cooling is needed. Number 5. 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with Heater, 4-in-1. 14,000 BTU, suitable for 550 to 700 square feet. 4-in-1, AC, heater, dehumidifier, and fan. Auto swing, timer, and remote included. Modern black design. Similar to our first pick, this AC adds an auto swing feature for even cooling. It's great for larger rooms needing both heating and cooling. Remote control and timer make it effortless to adjust to your comfort level. Pros: covers large spaces efficiently. 4-in-1 functionality for year-round use. Auto swing for even airflow. Cons: large size limits placement. Higher electricity usage. Large living rooms, offices, or apartments needing versatile temperature control. Thanks for watching. These are our top 5 portable air conditioners of 2025. If you're looking to beat the heat or stay cozy in winter, there's something here for everyone. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our tech and home appliance reviews. See you in the next video.